Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Ali, alayhi salam, sat under a shady tree with his friends, waiting for the children to come. He had invited all the children to join him on a special picnic. They were all so excited. As each child came, the Imam, alayhi salam, greeted them.
Salamun alaykum.
He then asked each of them their names and gave them a big hug and kiss as they sat down next to him. Once all the children had gathered, Imam Ali, alayhi salam, pulled out a special jar. Everyone leaned forward and tried to peek inside. One little girl asked,
What's inside the jar?
A boy said,
I don't know. Maybe it's a special juice.
Another boy guessed.
Or maybe some dates.
Imam Ali, alayhi salam, said,
This is special honey for my special friends. It is the best honey in the world from a faraway land. I want you all to be the first ones to try it.
The children's eyes grew wide. They couldn't wait to try this delicious honey. Ali, alayhi salam, invited the children to come up one at a time. He then fed them a spoonful of the sweetest honey they had ever tasted. One boy exclaimed,
This is so yummy.
After all the children had eaten a spoon of the sweetest honey they had ever tasted, one of Imam Ali's, alayhi salam, friends curiously asked,
O Imam Ali, alayhi salam, is there a reason why you called the children and gave them honey first?
Imam Ali, alayhi salam, said,
Allah loves little children very much, and I am like a father to all of them. I wanted them to be the first ones to try this special honey because they are so pure and special.
Imam Ali, alayhi salam, was always kind to children and loved them very much.